Good afternoon, distinguished chair, honorable reviewer, and esteemed colleagues. My name is Christine Natasha Mulyo, and it is an honor to present our paper, co-authored with Melinda Trisilia, entitled Integrating Digital Tools and Business Intelligence to Overcome Data Fragmentation in Small Medium size enterprises manual recording processes at the International Conference on Digital Technology Driven Engineering 2025. This research is situated within the broader scholarly conversation on digital transformation and data-driven decision making, particularly in the context of small and medium-sized enterprises. As digital tools continue to evolve, understanding how organizations manage, integrate, and utilize data remains a critical academic and practical concern. Through this presentation, we aim to contribute to the ongoing discourse on business intelligence and digital integration by offering insight grounded in empirical observation and analytical reflection. With that, I would like to proceed to the next slide. Small and medium-sized enterprises play a vital role in economic activity, yet they increasingly operate in environments that demand fast, accurate, and data-driven decision-making. To respond these demands, SMEs are often encouraged to adopt business intelligence as a strategic support tool. But however, in practice, many SMEs face a fundamental problem at the data level. Sales data is frequently fragmented across a manual records, spreadsheets, and different digital systems that are not integrated with one another. This fragmentation results in inconsistent, incomplete, and unreliable information, preventing the creation of a single source of truth. And the impact of this condition is substantial. The decision based on the fragmented data can lead to inventory errors, inefficient resource allocation, financial losses, and incorrect strategic choices. Over time, poor data quality also erodes trust in analytical system, causing business owners to rely on their intuition rather than data, contributing to the high value rate of business intelligence initiative. In the right side, as illustrated on the figure, before the business intelligence integrating, SMEs operate in fragmented data environment with limited clarity. After the integration, data becomes the centralized, reliable, and actionable, enabling the clearly insight and more informed decision making. This context underscored the importance of addressing data fragmentation as a critical challenge in SME operation. Building on this context, the main goal of this study is to identify the root causes of sales data fragmentation in small and medium-sized enterprises. Instead of viewing fragmentation as a purely technical problem, this research focuses on everyday operational practice. In particular, it examines the roles of manual recording and the lack of system integration in creating persistent data issue. Based on this insight, the study proposed a business intelligence driven approach to achieve a data clarity and to support more reliable and data informed decision making in SMEs. This study is grounded in several key theoretical perspectives. First, business intelligence and integration. Business intelligence is understood as an integrated process that transforms raw and scattered data into the actionable insight. Business intelligence rely on the data integration, where the information from the different operational source is centralized to support managerial decision making. Without the integration, BI system cannot function effectively, as analysis depends heavily on the quality and consistency of the underlying data. Second, the business intelligence benefit. The benefit of the business intelligence extend beyond the operational efficiency. While the BI can reduce the reporting time and improve data accessibility, its broader value lies in supporting and strategic decision making and organizational performance. However, this benefit can only be achieved when the data is reliable and well managed. The third, manual process and data quality issue. From an operational perspective, SMEs often rely on the manual recording process. This practice increases the risk of the data inaccuracies, delay, and inconsistency, which ultimately undermine data quality. Fragmented and low quality data therefore becomes a major barrier to successful BI implementation. The last one is technology adoption model. This study is informed by technology adoption model, specifically TAM and TOW. TAM explain adoption through perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use, while the TOW highlight how organizational constraints such as limited time and resource influence technology decision. Together, these frameworks help to explain why SMEs continue to rely on manual process despite the availability of digital solution. For the research method, the study adopt a qualitative research approach using a multiple case study design, which allow for an in-depth exploration of complex real-world phenomena within a small and medium-sized enterprises. This approach is particularly appropriate for understanding how and why data fragmentation emerges in daily operational practice. Data were collected through the semi-structured interview with the five SME owners that representing diverse business sectors. The participants include a multi-business operator, an automotive workshop, a cafe, a photo booth service provider, and a creative marketing agency. These SMEs were selected using a purposive sampling, focusing on the business that rely on the combination of manual recording process and personally digital tools for managing sales data. The interview data were then analyzed using the thematic analysis, allowing the recurring patterns and themes that related to data fragmentation, operational impacts, and integration barriers to be systematically identified. Through this methodology, the study captures rich empirical insight grounded in the real SME context. This table summarizes the key finding of the five SMES cases, focusing on the business type, recording system, and data confidence. Despite the operating in the different sector, all cases demonstrate a similar pattern of the fragmented sales data. Most of SMES rely on the combination of manual records, spreadsheet, and partially digital tools. Although the reported data confidence level that appear relative high, ranging from the 7 to 9. Fragmentation persists due to the daily recording, split data source, and strong dependence on manual input. And the right side is the word frequency visualization that show the frequency terms such as the manual, Excel, wrong, and forgot is recurring operational issue, particularly human error and time pressure. And this finding is indicate that data fragmentation in SMES is not driven by a lack of technology, but by everyday process limitation and human factor that undermine data accuracy and consistency. The first theme focused on the source of sales data fragmentation. The findings show the fragmentation mainly originates from the use of separate and unintegrated recording system. Many SMEs rely on the multiple tools such as Excel, Post, and Notes that do not communicate with one another and making the data silos. Another major source is heavy reliance on the manual input process. Even when the digital tools are available, critical information is still entered by hand and it increases the risk of human error, missing entry, and the inconsistent records. In addition, time pressure during a daily operation leads to delay in recording. Transactions are often recorded hour later or on the following day, which mean that Reports generated are not real-time and do not accurately reflect that actual business condition. Together, this factor demonstrate that data fragmentation in SMEs is driven by process-related issue rather than the absence of the digital tools. The second theme focuses on the impact of data fragmentation on operation and decision making in SMEs. Fragmented and inaccurate data leads to poor strategic decision, including the error in product promotion, pricing, and investment choices. Operationally, manual recording errors and delayed data update contribute to the financial loss, cash flow issue, and daily inefficiency. More importantly, inconsistent data erodes trust in the information system. When the reports cannot be readily opened, business owners shift away from data and return to the intuition-based decision making. This finding show that data fragmentation fundamentally weakens the role of data in supporting effective business decision. Building on the impact discussed earlier, the third theme explains why data fragmentation continue even when SMEs recognize the importance of integrated data. Across all cases, the findings show that the challenge is not the awareness, but the ability to sustain integration in daily operation. Limited time emerges as the central barrier. Daily operational demands require immediate attention, which often push data recording and system maintenance to a lower priority. As a result, data is recorded late, inconsistently, or across multiple tools. The situation is further reinforced by human and organizational limitation. Limited accounting knowledge and low confidence in using integrated system prevent digital tools from being fully utilized. Even when the technology is available, its use remains partial and heavily dependent on manual input. Together, this condition explains why data fragmentation persists, not because SMEs resist the technology, but because operational pressure and human constraint make the integrated data practice difficult to maintain. This slide illustrates the data fragmentation cycle identified in our study. The cycle starts when SMEs use separate and unintegrated system combined with manual records, spreadsheet, and basic digital tools. Because three systems are not connected, sales data must be entered manually across different platforms. Under daily operational pressure, data recording is often delayed or inconsistent, resulting in fragmented and inaccurate information. Over time, this reduces trust in the data reports, leading business owners to rely more on intuition rather than data-driven decision. This reinforces continued dependence on manual process, causing the fragmentation cycle to persist. For the conclusion, we found that sales data fragmentation in SMEs is primarily caused by unintegrated tools, manual process, and delay recording. This fragmentation leads to the poor decision making and reduced trust in the data. Using our data fragmentation cycle model, we show that limited time and knowledge often trap SMEs into making decisions based on their intuition rather than the evidence, which align with the technology acceptance model or TAM and the technology organization environment or TO framework. For the future research, we recommend developing simple business intelligence integration solution that tailor for SMEs and testing this model quantitatively on larger sample to validate is its effectiveness and generally stability. We believe that the insight from our study, particularly the data fragmentation cycle model, can guide future research in developing practical business intelligence integration solution tailored for SMEs. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any question or discussion. Thank you.